What happens after the main battery dies in the Prius Prime? We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to find out what the hell happens when the main primary traction battery dies. Let's see what happens. Engine starts. Look at that. No more miles left. So now it's 100% gasoline. Interesting, huh? Actually, you know what? Let me see if I can show you. That's what's happening right now. I have a display here too. It's on my big 11.6-inch screen as well. So that's what it's doing. It's charging the main battery, but it's not charging the main battery. All right, so once you deplete the primary battery of the Prius Prime, you use the other smaller battery pack, and it acts like a standard Prius. The only difference between the two is that the acceleration is better, and as soon as you pass a certain point on the screen, the gas engine comes on. So if we pass the eco bar, as you can see, it's from one point to another. That's eco with electric mode. If you go past that, it doesn't necessarily go into gas. Watch. Until I go past a certain point. As you saw. Once that light, once the EV comes back on again, I'm solely on electric power. So I can actually go past that bar, and I'm on electric only. See? And I'm past that bar. Well, let's go past it. And then the gas tank comes on. It's actually really interesting. So there are major pros to having a Prime, because you can accelerate faster and not kick in the gas engine unless you have to be extremely careful when you do it. All right, here we go. So back off. The power and glide is a technique that is well known in the Prius owner world. You accelerate quickly, back off, and go into electric mode. And that's what the standard Prius. You can still do that in the Prime when you're depleted your battery, main battery pack, and you just drive away. So we can accelerate past that line, still in electric mode. This is awesome. This changes everything. That's why this car gets so great gas mileage, is because of that capability. And that's amazing. That changes, that's like a whole new ball game. And the standard Prius had a limitation of 45 miles an hour in electric mode, and with the Prime you don't have that limitation. Yeah, I know. And with the Prime you don't have that limitation. So it's really cool. Changes everything, man. It really does. And the gas engine is on because now it's charging. Whoop, that just shut off as I changed. That's funny. So this is great. This is good news for Prime owners and future Prime owners. Because thinking that your car will suck when you don't have any battery is actually very interesting and very efficient. I'm quite impressed. Unfortunately, it will not charge the main battery, the big one, anymore. You're solely in a standard Prius mode, except you don't have a speed limitation of 45 miles an hour, which is great. I find that fascinating. I found that very cool. What a freaking home run, man. This is. Hey guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell for future notifications of new videos that come around. So I'm truly looking forward to, if you're not a subscriber, just subscribe. I got really cool videos to come. Take care, and we'll see you next time.